Welcome back to the channels, guys. My new Novatech PC has just been delivered. Here it is. We've got to get it out of the box and have a look at it. See what it's like. It's quite a largish box. Okay, let's have a look inside, see what we got. Aha! A box. Right over there. Mains lead. Plenty of cardboard then. That'll be the receipt. Chuck that over there. And there it is. Right, let's see if we can get it out. Here it is in its plastic bag. Oh, nice. Look at that, guys. Brand new, bare bones Novatech PC. Let's take a look at the front. There's the power button. And some connections down there. And then round the back we have the usual connections and bits and pieces by the looks of it. Oh, we've got some more of them babies. More of those little fellas. Plenty of spare bays by the looks of it. We've got some protective tape type stuff to pull off, if we can get it off. Here we go, nicely unwrapped. Can we stand it up? Yep, we can stand him up. There we go. That looks alright, doesn't it, guys? I can't wait to get this programmed up. It hasn't got an OS on it. I'm going to be putting Windows 10 on here. Just a bare bones. So I've got a few bits and pieces in the box here. And these, I guess, must be the little feet for it. Right, so we've got these little rubber feet here to be stuck on somewhere or another. And we've also got these rather odd little things as well, guys. I'm not really sure how the hell these are supposed to be going on. But there's 4 of them. So they're obviously feet of some description. Okay, so I almost had to put a call into Werner von Braun because these feet were almost rocket science to fit, but I managed to get them fitted. Ha ha! Blimey, that took some doing. Okay guys, well thanks for popping over and taking an initial look and unboxing of this my new Novatech PC here. It should greatly reduce the rendering times of my video reviews, so we'll have to see what it's like when I've got it all installed then. Alright, well thanks for popping over, guys. Don't forget you can subscribe to the channel, you can click like, and you can share it with your friends. There's also my Instagram, Google Plus and Patreon as well. Thanks for coming over, guys, and I will catch you laters.